Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the snowstorm of 2012. It's pretty bad in Innisfil. I don't know any other place, but can't really see it, can you? Well, it's really crazy, and yeah. And that's the snow so far on the ground. So, yeah. Getting quite a bit. Anyway, stay tuned to my other dance. Bye!